day, everyone. I'm Janessa Listen, BSHM1B, and I'm from Dawis Norte, Carmen, Cebu. So, today, I want to talk about important issues facing our country right now, which is ghost flood control projects, poor infrastructures, and higher taxes for Filipino workers and consumers. So, first is ghost flood control projects. Are a serious problem to us. These projects are meant to protect us from floods but often don't exist at all. Instead, it affects our daily lives, our homes, takes people's lives, those old people trying to survive in the midst of flood, selling what they have to feed themselves and their family is such a heartbreaking to witness. They work hard and to choose a make living in a justified way while those in charge of that project keep the money and live a comfortable and lavish life. They didn't just steal our tax, but they also steal lives, homes, and hope of the Filipino civilians. We need to make sure our government is honest about our, where our money goes. We should check on these projects regularly to ensure they are really helping our communities. Next is poor infrastructure. These recent tragedies that happened to us caused by earthquakes reveal the substandard infrastructures of corrupt government officials, the poor infrastructure like classrooms, roads, and bridges that affects our daily lives. Many buildings are not safe, but this harm our education and economy. Our government should focus on building quality structures and provide the right amount of budget for it, and not keep the rest of the budget. Therefore, the taxes that came from the hard work of the Filipinos are used to protect and secure the safety of everyone. We need to enforce strict building standards and listen to our local communities about what they need most. Next is higher taxes. Finally, rising taxes make life harder for many families while taxes are necessary. They shouldn't fall too heavily on everyday workers. Knowing the issues of taxes were corrupted by government officials. We should not let the people pay for tax until the issues are solved. We should work towards a fair tax system that eases the burden on those who struggles the most. Making sure everyone pays their fair share can help improve our economy without overloading citizens and corruptions. And my recommendations to tackle these issues, and I suggest regular checks on flood control projects to ensure they are real and effective. We must insist on transparency and accountability in government contracts. Regular audits and community involvement in project planning can ensure that funds are used effectively and that projects genuinely address local needs. Next is strict quality standards for all infrastructure projects with input from local communities. The government should prioritize infrastructure development by investing in quality over quantity, establishing strict guidelines for construction and conducting through inspections can ensure that projects meet high standards. Engaging Local contractors who understand community needs can also foster better outcomes. And third is fair tax policies that don't disproportionately affect low and middle income families. We need to advocate for a fair tax system that ensures equality, implementing tax reforms that alleviate the burden of the lower and middle classes while ensuring the corporations pay their fair share can create a more balanced economic environment. Despite these challenges, there is hope. The resilience of the Filipino people shines through in our ability to unite and demand change. By holding our leaders accountable, pushing a transparency, and advocating for our rights, we can transform these issues into opportunities for growth and improvement. And let us work together to build a Philippines where infrastructure is safe, tax systems are fair, and flood control projects genuinely protect our communities. The future is bright if we take proactive steps today. Thank you. And in closing, while these issues are tough, they also give us a chance to come together for change. By demanding better use for our resources and fair treatment in taxes, we can build a safer, stronger Philippines. Together, we can create a brighter future for everyone. Again, thank you.